Hello guys and gals, welcome to another video. So today I came out, won't be in here very long, and no surprise, right? So I'm gonna come out here and I decided to clean out my valves here. It's not one of those days. So anyway, reeds. Sorry about that. So reeds. So I took this one apart already and cleaned it and put it back together. I just checked around I checked around the rubber here on the boot. Okay, so let me tell you what I do. So I took everything out, yeah, of course, and cleaned it up here. Ta-da! Yeah. So I cleaned it up, and then I came back in here. You got cleaning kind of any type of material is on here. I like them. Everybody's different. So I don't know. I come from the old school, I guess, but probably many out there will say, you don't know what the hell he's doing. You're about 1,001% right. So, but I took my metal edge here, went all the way around it, the opening, and I cleaned all this stuff out of here too. And so I got it all clean, and I come in here with some gasket making. You know what? I hate these tips. I really do. They're a pain in the butt. They really are. So let's do one of these numbers. Put a nice little amount on there. Not too much. I mean, you can spread it around and stuff. So yeah, this is the Friday edition, guys, gals out there. And by the way, the NFL draft is going on. Congratulations to the Detroit Lions. And they picked up a corner blocker. Awesome. Now go around here just like that. I feel like I'm Bobby Ross. All right. I'm gonna go around here and get a nice little coating. Nothing too extreme. I probably get too much on it as is. Just black gasket maker RTV. I mean, it's just two surfaces, and yeah. See here, go around here just like so. Alrighty, and oh voila, beautiful, isn't it? Take some orders take some orders later on, folks. Okay. Anyway, so after that, now it's with me. I don't got money for bowls, but I do. My little process has had no problem with me in the past. This is naturally yellow coating on it, okay? And what I do is just take it to put a clamp on it and, vice grips, tighten around both ends sometime of the bolt, and then I just clean all the deterioration and stuff off it from the metal. And there's two metals interact with each other, so I put a dab of low temp grease on here. I'm using the rest of the slide. Why not this one? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, and I put etches around there, folks, because the reason for that. Get it back together. The reason for that is so that there's a better bonding surface. Of course, it helps when you got hoses in your way. Just have to clean those up. Actually, put new ones on. Excuse me. Okay. Yep, I won't be out here very much longer today. I just came out here to explicitly do this right here. Alright. Now, I know there's a foot-pounds on these, so I shouldn't. I actually don't know. That's sad, isn't it? I'm thinking this guy's got a YouTube channel, know what the hell he's doing. Well, hey, most of us don't know what the hell we're doing. Just ask politicians and weathermen, right? They all lie to us. Anyway, so listen, this is okay. I'm just gonna get a little bit of whirling in. Do not, if you feel like you went too far, okay, we're just gonna go around in like a star pattern. Okay, up here. Maybe he's going in a little bit. Let's just get her in a little bit. Just give her turns there. Alright, and okay, so now what I'm going to do in all the way. So we got that way everything gets seated. Damn, everything gets seated the correct way. So, yeah, we want to make sure it's right. The right way to do it, actually. And by the way, I put grease on it, a little bit of smidgen of grease on it. I got them picked on because of it. Whatever it is, what it is. So, um, so it's gonna take it in. Again, we're doing the star pattern. Just till you win a little snug. If they're about there. Okay. Again, we're gonna do star pattern. I'm very particular. I should be more particular. I do got a book for the sled, service book. It's amazing to me how many things are going away for these old race sleds. Okay. Alright, gotta get her there and there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, and down here. I determined that after a little bit of research, there's quite a bit of a chore when I had to deal with this electrical on this thing. And thank God I kept everything. And I wanna when I look back on these hardcore slider and sites like that, about 440 to 500 or 600 conversions. I really wish I could save the 440 stuff because I got to deal with a throttle safety switch that be a pain. I thought I read that they were a different system. They're all open systems. I thought. Yeah, it's going around a little bit. It's nice and easy on easy too, fellas. Nice and easy. Of course, I did a lot. I think everybody needs to do a little more research. Unless you do this for a living every day. That's nice. It's just snow, barely snow. And I feel more better knowing that there's some form of gasket there for it. I didn't see it on. I would have put one in actually if. Well, I probably would have put it on actually if you call for it in the schematic, and I didn't see one on the schematic, so it's good enough for this right here. Good here. Got all this grease on the insides. Any kind of stuff left over, just clean it off. Got a long laundry list of stuff I need to do. Get another coil, another rope for my recoil. I got it right here. It's 20 years old. I needed to really do on the Arctic Cat. I actually shorted that up about 6 inches. It was bad. It was really bad when I got it. Last fall he had it. He left it outside for about a year. And I know people gotta do what they gotta do. I mean, I've got a sled sitting outside right now myself. It's my stepson's, and I hate even see that thing sit outside. I mean, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I got his covered up with some tarp from Harbor Freight, and yeah, it looks pretty good. All right. Looks pretty good. So, it's the finished product right here, guys. I just believe a mating surface, two mating surfaces need to be cleaned. put on some. I have a gasket on too many. It serves as metal to rubber, but you know, rubber is a good sealant. So, but this, I don't know. I just didn't trust the one side of it. So, this is what else I'm gonna do. I'm going to take handlebars and the complete wiring harness over here and kind of match them up a little bit. I know most of it's gonna be okay. Jeez. But I guess I'm ready for it. I guess I am. I've been putting it off and think about how I want to do this. And, throttle safety switch, ignition, and brake. So I gotta see what is what. Two different systems. They're both haze systems. This is a haze as well, and this is a haze as well from O2. Both O2. So I never really thought about that. Yeah, it's an O2. It's gonna have an O2 500 in it. So, but anyway, fellas, I'm gonna try and get done what I need to get done before I gotta go in. Me and the significant other, best friend, we're gonna go probably go do some fish tonight. So anyway, you folks have a good weekend, and thanks for checking out the channel. If you like, subscribe. You know the mumbo jumbo, hitting the bell, blah blah blah. But anyway, I appreciate you giving me the time of the day and seeing what little I can do. So anyway, you folks have a good one. Talk to you later. Catch you on the flip side. Bye now.